The fuel pump is in for the Chevy Cruze 1.8 turbo project. Let's take a look at it. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Matt. Consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button. Got a lot of cool content coming on the Chevy Cruze 1.8 and just turboing any car that's naturally aspirated. Yeah, I'm going to show you how I go about doing it. But guess what? The fuel pump is in. Let's go ahead and tear into this bad boy. And I'll break down who I sent it to, what's all been done. Let's just get into it. Nice little fuel pump. All right, let's see how well this thing is packed, because I got a little something to share with you guys and gals. What the hell? All right, so I sent my fuel pump, not my fuel pump out of the car. What I ended up doing was getting a used one off of eBay, because I didn't want to go through the pain in the ass of taking mine out, really not having any place to put the gas tank. I have no idea at this moment how much fuel is in there. It's all E85, and I'm gonna have just gonna have to get rid of all that crap anyways. So I sent them a fuel pump, and we probably got, no wonder this package is so big. That's what she said. So one of these is a broken pump. One of these is a pump that has mods to it. Long story short, I bought a pump off of eBay. It was like 35 bucks. Shipped it to them. It was used out of a wrecked car. But when they got it, it was broke. So let's figure out which one of these is the modified one versus the broken return. Man, I swear my luck with getting stuff done for the car has not been good. Ooh, it smells like fuel. All right, this looks like this is probably the good one. Yeah, buddy, yeah it is. Okay, golly, man, that's fuming. I'm gonna leave it in this bag. Let's open the other one up. Yeah, here we go. Okay, I see what they did here. So here is the fuel pump. It arrived busted up. I mean, look at that. But here's the one that arrived broken. They did send a replacement out really fast, so I do appreciate that. The guys over at Timor Auto Wrecking, so I definitely need to leave them a good review. Just look at that thing. This thing's a little busted up. See here where it just... So if you plan on shipping your fuel pump to them, be sure to pack it really well, because this thing just... We're going downtown. I'm gonna hold on to it just in case. We'll toss that back in there. Here is the original pump that came out of this unit, the sending unit here. Thing's pretty crusty. Not sure how much this thing flows, but I'm gonna hold on to it just in case. I don't know, maybe I could sell that to somebody. Who knows? But ooh, golly. You know what, I'm gonna open this thing up. I'm gonna rebag it because this, man, yeah. I don't know what they use to test flow this thing. And I thought they would send a flow sheet with this thing. No? Anyway, so what they did do is I just sent it to them straight from eBay. They installed a 300C and also Menace short. He did this himself. He did this modification, sent it to DW. They also will flow test it just to make sure things work and send you back a flow test chart, graph, whatever you want to call it. So you can see they did their thing and wired it. It's all cleaned up. Looks like the same damn unit, if you ask me. And from my understanding is that it has to have this little tube here on top of this housing here. Again, Dennis Short does a really good job of explaining how this works, but this will flow enough fuel to support the horsepower that I'm after. So that is one of the last pieces of the puzzle, at least fuel-wise, to get us where we need to be. And it looks like they did a really good job. We're gonna pack this thing up because, man, golly. One of the reasons I did decide to send this thing off, have it installed, is I'm not very good when it comes to, I mean, I could make it work, but I would have rather just sent this to somebody else that knows what they're doing. I just paid for the pump, the install. I think the install was like 75 bucks. The used unit, again, I paid $35 for it, so it's not a whole lot into it. It only took a handful of days, really. Couple, 2 or 3 business days, aside from having to wait for the exchange. I'm like, I just can't catch a break here with this car, can I? We're gonna be patient though. We're gonna be patient. Okay. So I got these things labeled, and I'm gonna take this and put it in the pile of shit to install in my car. Part of me wants to just go ahead and install the pump now, but my concern is I have all that fuel sitting in the tank, and I don't want, I kind of rather, once I get the engine in, just purge it, get all the old fuel out, because this thing's just kind of been sitting up, even though I do have a paper towel in there. Just kind of flush all that fuel out, empty it out completely, get the engine going up on some fresh fuel, and install it then, rather than, I don't know. Well, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new, I'm Matt. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Until next time, peace out with your peace out.